welcome to the channel. So in today's episode, I am actually going to be fixing a hyperflashing issue I have with this. I don't have the hyperflashing issue right now because I have regular bulbs in my turn signals instead of these switchbacks that I had been using. These things are actually great. So when I'm just driving around at night or whenever I actually have the lights on, I'll have the white LED, and then when I turn on my turn signals, hazards or whatnot, I'll get the yellow. So, and they work great. Only thing was, you put them in, the system that's in the Trailblazer from the factory doesn't like it. It thinks there's a bulb out, so you get hyper flashing. For several years, I was using two of these resistors, load resistors, I believe, and I actually had them mounted behind the rear tail lights and so forth, because that was an easy place to put them, and they worked great. Only problem was they used a splice connector on them, and when taking the taillights in and out a couple times, it kind of messed that up. So I'd have to kind of fiddle with the wiring a little bit to get them to work correctly, and then it got to a point where they just weren't working at all anymore. So I talked with a buddy of mine, and he told me to get this new lighting control module for the Trailblazer. So he said this should work for my hyper flashing. So we'll swap out the bulbs so you can see the hyper flashing issue, and then we'll install this and see if it works. The main thing is just go ahead and pop the grill out. Break those. Alright, bulbs are back in. Go ahead and turn the regular lights on. Yeah, I know I forgot to show you guys with just the regular yellow in there, but see, that's how I wanted to look. But so you can see my hyper flashing. Alright, so there we go for that. So let me go ahead and disconnect the battery, and then we'll swap out the module, hook the battery back up, and see how everything works, if it works correctly. Alright, so now we're going to take the lower part of the dash out. module is actually right here. If it's a snake, it would have bit me. So I just gotta pull that out, put the new one in. I need both my hands, so. Alright, let's hook the battery back up. Lights. And there we are. We have working lights. Go ahead and all right, so no more hyper flashing at all. So that saves you a whole lot of time from just having to wire in that resistor and have problems with that, the wiring and so forth. And all you gotta do is just swap out a module now, and that takes care of it for you. So you can run LEDs. And like I said, I prefer these over just the regular because it just, yeah, white just looks so much better. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. No need to show that going all back together. Well, I'll throw the grill on real quick for you. Alright, there you go. Now it looks like a whole truck. So now I just got to put together the interior. Like I said, no need to show you that since I need to fix the underside panel anyway for some old cracks and some chunks that have been broken off. Because I actually had to do that today on my mom's Corvette. Plastic gets brittle. So, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day. Hey everyone, so it's a little quick add-on because there were some concerns when I was talking to some people on the Trailblazer forums after I put this in that supposedly cruise control didn't work with this LM480
over the speed limit.
LM487 module. So came to put that to rest real quick because it is working, and I'll show you. Alright, so we're doing here, and cruise control is working. You can see the light on there, and speed is maintaining. So the LM487 does work. So, we were saying before, I hope this video was helpful to some of you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.